Namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 ikithiaga na mbere kuongerereka bururi-ini. Riboti ingi ya kuraga nguru wa Kenya ari mebukaga kandi ya NHIF ni ati riu kandi ino itigocoka kurugamirira kurigitwo kwa murimu wa COVID-19 tabau kabere gukirikana kigina kia rubonge ruru kirathi gikunderete kumana na namba nene ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 iri irarugamirira. Ni undu utumurite ndereti bio bindi ya giikaro gia kamiti ya bunge ya Senate ya ugima wa mwiri na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe kubitukira mutambo wa Zoom makienda ataririe gitumi gia gwitikira akenya maigiriro murigo wa kwirugamirira maribi ma murimu wa COVID-19. Kagwe ugite thirikari itire na mbeca cia kuongerera rubonge rwa NHIF na riu kire gitigito niyo mundu amenye uria riribagira maribi ma murimu wa COVID-19 thibitari.
What would be the way forward on how can we look at it? Because even the government is saying they don't have enough money. So what will we do as a country to be able to make sure that our people get health services?
Most people will not die. They will be saying they have died of COVID, but in most cases, they would have died because of the prevailing or the existing conditions.
But I think what the statement here is trying to say is that whereas, yes, there is some help assistance going on, you cannot sustain a full-fledged pandemic on the basis of a health insurance. You can only be able to sustain that through direct government support.
Maseneta ya makienda mathathauriro gitumi kia muingi kwebereria utungata uyu riri bururi utonyete ikerekari ya keri iria gututhuka kwa murimu wa COVID-19 mugite ugukorwo undu muritu kurugamirira urigiti uyu to kuri mukenya wa kawaida ni amu ni nginya kuri atongoria aria mebuka kandi cia insurance na NHIF. CEO wa rubonge ruru akiuga kuma riria manjirie kurugamirira urigiti wa murimu wa COVID-19 mabuthirite muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.7 nginya bilioni 5 murigo uria urathie ukimaritubagira o gwakia.
It would not have been financially viable for NHIF to finance treatment of COVID-19 for the current national or enhanced scheme members of the fund.
Murugamo wa NHIF ukiterere bururi wandikithitie arwaru eru 1216 a murimu wa COVID-19 mathaa 24 mabituku thutha wa kungania ithimi cia andu 3816 andu 531 ni maborete kumana na murimu uyu oriri andu 26 matoretio na gukua. Ibinda-ini ori rubonge rwonyagia wa dawa KEMSA ni ruretio kwendia indo iria itigarite cia kwigita murimu wa COVID-19 thito-ini ciao na thogora uria indo ici irendio ibinda-ini riri ugutigirira ona thibitari nini iria iri no nyibu wa indo ici ni ciamukira.
So on my part, I have no choice but to tell Parliament, as I am doing, in advance of the decision. I have to write a CAB memo and explain to the government that yes, there will be a loss at KEMSA regarding PPEs, and then they trade themselves like other organizations are doing. They trade themselves out of it.
Thutha-ini ucio mbere ya kamiti ya bunge Mutahi Kagwe ugite ona gutwika namba ya arwaru ma murimu wa COVID-19 irathie ikiambatagira ni wigiririki wa akenya kuthie na mbere kuthingatithia mitaratara iria igitwo ni ministry na kumenya njira cia guturania na murimu wa COVID-19.
The predictions even from CDC, even in the US, is that this is not something that is going to go away tomorrow.
Geribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.